Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, if you are yet to subscribe, make sure you do it to click on that subscribe button, like, share, and make your comments. So, this was the prediction we did on GBPJPY. We did this prediction today, which was on the 16th. I told you all that GBPJPY will definitely sell, and this is what it did. It eventually sold. Market drop. I explained the reason why. It's because we are at the resistance level. Um, right now, if you are to zoom it out to the 4-hour time frame, you can see that market actually came to this level and tapped the resistance level. Now, if you are to zoom it out, you will see that this is a major level, which is our resistance. This is also our major level, which is the support level. So now that market is currently at the last level, our forecast is that market will continue that movement to our support level. This is for swing traders, by the way. But for right now, we will be expecting market to pull back. For day traders, we should expect market to pull back to retest this resistance level. Once it retests it, then we can now expect another sell. So for now, we should be expecting a pullback up a bit. Later, we'll be expecting a sell. So more of these updates will be covered in the Patreon channel. You will find a link to the Patreon channel in the comment section. So once you subscribe, you will get back updates and trade signal, which is high accurate, by the way. It will be shared in the channel. Yeah.